Here are some of the supplies that you will need to make this craft. Hot glue gun, glue sticks, some clear gloss spray, and a bunch of scallops. So I haven't done this for a while, but it was pretty easy last time. So we're gonna use, I have them divided small, medium, and large. Use a couple small ones and glue them together. I kind of offset them a little bit and open them up. And you're gonna put that in the middle of your big shell. And you just gotta let it dry.
If you're like my dad and love beachy adventures, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing.
And then you're just gonna take them and glue all the way around and overlap each shell. And you may have to hold it just till the glue sets a little bit. And if it's not staying for you, just add a little bit of glue wherever to connect those shells. And then on your last one, you can either, if it works out, to go inside or on the outside, whatever works. And then that will finish that row, and you'll do the same thing on the next row, but I use the next size up shells. And then I'm going to use the next size, which is just a little bit bigger. And I suppose you could keep going as many times around as you want and however open you want and however big you want. But this will be our last row. So I just got done spraying, and if you have a lot of shells, you could keep going all the way around and make this a lot bigger. You have plenty of room. You could use them as accents. You can leave them open, put a candle inside. I think it would be really pretty to put on a glass picture frame, 3 of them in a row. Very easy to glue on with E6000. You could do whatever you want. They're quick, they're fun. A recap on some things that you need: shells, clear gloss spray, a glue gun that looks better than mine, and some glue sticks. Everything will be listed below. There'll be an Amazon link in the description. You can click on that if you need to. Hope you enjoy.
Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe and click on the rectangle for the next Beach Mom and Dad video.